Aton Solar presents a AC solar system having a flexible solar panel framed in an aluminum frame and having the battery and inverter at the same place, integrated on the same place, and the stand is attached with it. Open the stand and put it in front of the sunlight and start the inverter, and it start working. There is a battery of 24 Ah in the system, and it was charged by the solar panel directly, and we have the capacity of charging it through AC power by putting the converter which we are added in our product list accessories. So you put this wire in it and it will charge the battery whenever there is no sun or your product is not in the sunlight. This system has the AC port with 3-pin and 2-pin facility, 2 USB ports, 5 volt for charging the phone, to lit up the light or the fan, and the on-off switch. When we switch on, the inverter light is on. When it is green, then the inverter is working perfectly. There is no problem. If there is another light, the second number light, it shows that the voltage is high. If the battery is low, then it shows on the third point. And the fourth point is the overload. Overload means if you put a load of more than 100 watts, then it shows the overload.